How to use or get fine gold thread in your Black Myth Wukong game. Fine gold thread is a legendary resource added to craft some of the best armor in the game. The only problem is that the availability in limited quantities. Players will get their hands on this resource. For the first time in the chapter 3, they will get 2 fine gold threads. However, players need more resources to create other plays or pieces of armor. There are only a handful of ways to get fine gold threads or how you can use that. There are three simple ways as buying from the keeper's shrine, collect from the dropped from fighting strong enemies, and opening chest. Sometimes the storekeeper's shrine will have fine gold thread in stock, but as usual, it will be in a finite number. So many enemies, especially those in chapter 4, have a good chance of dropping fine gold threads as a reward when they fight. So you can put on your shoes and can go explore to find any Yugai shifts and kings. While the fights are difficult, they do reward player with the rare items. Finally, some of the chests in the game will have fine gold thread, but this is extremely random, so the chances are very low. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching updates.